Hey guys, this week we're going to be doing some traditional games. We're going to be building them out of stuff found in nature and building them out of stuff found every day around the house. So I hope you'll give them a try. I hope you build your own little kit and have some fun. One thing to remember when you're building your kit, that when you're taking from the land, you have to give back to the land. So please respect everything around you and only take what you're using and only take what you need. This game is called Ring the Stick. You need a stick that's about 1 meter long, and you need a piece of willow because willow is very pliable. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll the willow up into a circle, and then you're going to attach it to the stick. Now I use sinew to attach it to the stick, but you can use whatever you see fit. Dental floss can work as well. This game works on eye-hand coordination. Now you can see this ring here is a little bit tiny. So if it was a little bit bigger, do you think that it would be easier or harder to do?
So this is ring on a stick using things you would find at home. So what I used here is a broomstick, just took off the sleeper, and a string from a hoodie. And what I did here is I took the cardboard from tissue. We all have these at home. You're all stocking up on these. So you should have them, and just use the hot glue gun to piece them together. You can use tape. Everyone has tape in their junk drawer, I'm sure. But the cool thing about this game is that it focuses on your eye coordination, and also it was used traditionally to hunt, because you need good eye coordination for when you're hunting, and also it was to help with disputes. So yeah, let's see if I can get it. Coordination is a bit off, but yeah, there you go. Back to you, Miss Pierson.
This game is called Matchstick Pole. You're going to find someone to play against and stand across from them, face to face. You're going to clasp your hands together and put your index finger out and put the little stick between your fingers. From there, on the count of 3, you're going to pull. You're going to try and pull the stick away from the person you're playing against. You want to keep your fingers straight and you want to keep your feet planted. The best out of 3 wins. Good luck.
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go. Here, Tay. This game here is called Matchstick Pole. So I've got 10 sticks here, just little sticks that I cut from the bush. And on one of them, on the bottom of one, it's marked. So it has some Sharpie on one of the bottoms that you can't see. So what you're going to try to do is you're going to see how many you can pull out of here without getting that stick. So once you get that stick, you're done. So the highest score you can get is 10. All right, you ready? Mm-hmm. Anything on the bottom?
No.
Nope. Got 4 so far. 6.
Oh.
7.
No.
Oh, so you got a score of 7. And this one has a mark on the bottom, so you can see the other ones don't. Good job, Tay. This game is called stick pull. This works on your arm strength, core stability, and your balance. All you need is one strong stick per pair. Keep your feet together, sitting across from your partner, and you're going to try and tip them off balance. Remember, don't pull them on top of you, because if you pull them on top of you, it's their point. So best out of 3 wins for this one as well. Have fun. Remember to use an overhand grip. If you use an underhand grip, the other person gets the point. 1 point, Mrs. Harita. Now it's your turn. Go and build your own kit. Have fun.